Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect make.com with WordPress. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, in order to do this, go over to make.com, make sure to log in. From here, we need to click on create a new scenario, top right hand corner of the page. And then from here, we can click on the purple plus icon and choose from all the apps that make.com offers. And now from here at the bottom of this little box, type in WordPress. Now go ahead and click onto WordPress. And now from here, if we scroll down, we can choose from all the different options. So now in order to connect Make with WordPress, click on where it says Watch Post. Then click on where it says Create a Connection. So now another box will appear and you'll need these details. So you'll need the connection name, WordPress REST API base URL, and that gives you for an example here, and your API key as well. And you can find the API key in your WordPress website if you have integrated connector plugin installed. And then once you've done that, go ahead and save your work. And then once you've done that, you come back to this and then click on the bottom left, click on run once to connect make.com with WordPress.